So this is my V10. It will say it's charging. Oh my goodness. It will say it's charging, right? Let's try to turn it on. It's 14%. That's good. This is definitely not good since this phone is not even working. But anyways, it is 14%. And it will stay on the screen till it dies again. And if it's in this mode, it's not even charging. I got my Windows, I've done some videos with that one. Let's just see how long I feel like recording this. I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't a video idea. And this is nowhere near as clear as the V10. Nowhere near as clear. I'm seeing this too right now. As I'm recording it, I'm seeing it. So anyways, that's what's going on with my V10. It is at the store now. So I'm just going to take the battery out. Okay. So you still on that screen. This is what I have to do. Take the battery out. Place it back in. Go to the other screen. It's difficult doing it with one hand. And it's not on the way, but oh well. But anyways, that's what my V10's been doing. It won't turn on. It sucks, but it's whatever.